It's 2:03 a.m., April 1st, 2020, and as you folks that use Boink Manager know, Seti shut down yesterday, but there is a better program for you to run, and I've been running this off and on since 2008, but now I run this all the time, and for good reason. It is called Rosetta at Home, and the reason why I run this is because it folds proteins, and these proteins are COVID-19 related. So you can help find a cure by running this. In fact, here's some graphics, because it has flashy graphics, just like SETI does. However, that was a bad example. There you go. Those are proteins, and those are COVID-19 proteins. So, do what I did. I built 7 computers, and I'm running this on all of them at full speed because we all need to work together to find a cure for this global pandemic. So go to Boink, download Boink Manager from the internet, anywhere, and install Rosetta at Home. And then sign up for an account just like you do with SETI or any other program, but keep this running and find every computer you've got and run it. I'm running this on what used to be internet nodes at my dad's company, which they gave to me after they were done using them. And even this old desktop, everything here is over 8 years old, but it's running just fine. And you can use computing preferences to tailor it to your needs. So I always use it at 100%, but remember, this pandemic cannot be cured unless we compute it and we find out exactly what it is, because we can't find a cure unless we know what it is we're curing. So, get installing.